Welcome back! This isn't a genjutsu. Nope, that's just the ghost of Uchiha himself, Itachi. But getting him to look this good almost broke me. Today, we are 3D printing, painting, and for the very first time, battling the absolute nightmare that is Waterslide decals. So stay tuned. Slicing. This is where we tell the printer how to build Itachi without turning him into a terrifying resin pancake. We have to add supports, lots of them. Itachi needs that emotional support. We angle him back, add some heavy supports to the base, and make sure to hollow out the model so we aren't wasting a gallon of resin. Add some drain holes and send it down to the printer. This is going to take about 11 plus hours to print everything. Oh yeah, using the Uniformation GK3, I was able to get all the detail I wanted. The print was a total success. No fails today, folks. Now it's time for the spot treatment. I had to seal the gap on his cloak, and so I used some putty and then sanded it all down. This is what it looks like. If you like the content, please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on the video. It helps my channel grow. Now let's get back to the video. This is what I've got so far after painting the legs. I went ahead and primed everything and started the painting process. After a few hours, this is what I have. I used black for the cloak, a little bit of red, vermilion for the inside colors. I've seen miniature painters swear by these decals. Today, I become one of them. Here's a breakdown. You cut a tiny decal out, you drop it in warm water, in about 15 to 30 seconds, this activates adhesive and separates the decal from the back paper. Trick is to slide it, not peel it. Actually slide it, and pray to God that it doesn't fold on itself. You gently roll a Q-tip over it to wick away the moisture and press it down. Add some softening solution on top to melt it into the resin. And I didn't add white at the bottom. And these look horrible. And they blend in with the cloak. I'm going to have to remove the decals and start all over again. So I went ahead and added white to one side to show you guys what it looks like when you've added white to the bottom of it. Perfect. I've gone through and I've added white below all of the decals. And they turned out pretty cool. I'll see what it all looks like after I've applied the black to cover up the white. It's looking pretty good so far. For the final reveal, I just want to remind you guys to check out my website. If you're looking for a garage kit for something I've done in the past, if you're looking for a painting kit to paint something, or if you just want me to print or paint something custom for you, you can message me on my website. The website is nightwolfllc.com, and that's wolf with a U, not an L. Now let's see the final reveal. And there he is, the tragic hero of the Hidden Leaf. Building and painting this kit was an absolute blast. If you want to experience the fun of painting this exact model without the hassle of buying a 3D printer, dealing with the toxic resin, or setting up supports, head over to nightwolfllc.com and pick one up for yourself. See you in the next one.